Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shane's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry Cookmas Day 10. Yes, Day 10, guys. Thank you so much for joining me for Cookmas, where I am continuing to bring you daily videos throughout the holiday season for the month of December. For today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and make a quick and easy vegetarian meal. We're going to go ahead and make some spinach black bean enchiladas. These enchiladas are packed with flavor and so easy to make. And the flavors that we're using today, as I said, are all veggies. So we will be using some fire roasted corn, some spinach, some cilantro, some cumin, some black beans, red enchilada sauce, green onions, some cheese, and then we're using some keto-friendly tortilla shells. So hopefully you guys are ready to get started on this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you have not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during Cookmas. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so these are the spinach and black bean enchiladas, full of flavor and delicious vegetables. Everything on here was pretty much healthy, from the tortillas to the cheese to the veggies inside. So hopefully you give it a try. I hope that you guys did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you love veggie enchiladas. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever I drop a new video, especially during. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.